Exploring Santorini, Greece, a day outing in paradise. Nestled in the Aegean Sea, the enchanting island of Santorini beckons with its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking a day of relaxation in paradise, Santorini offers a myriad of experiences to delight every traveler. Here's a suggested itinerary for a memorable day outing on this picturesque island. Morning, discover ancient history. Akrotiri Archaeological Site. Begin your day by delving into the island's ancient past at the Akrotiri Archaeological Site. Often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii, this well-preserved Bronze Age settlement offers a fascinating glimpse into the life of the island's inhabitants before the catastrophic volcanic eruption. Wander through the excavated streets, marvel at the intricate frescoes, and imagine the thriving civilization that once thrived here. Red Beach. After exploring Akrotiri, venture to nearby Red Beach for a refreshing change of scenery. Named for its distinctive crimson-hued cliffs and sands, this unique beach offers stunning photo opportunities and a chance to soak up the Mediterranean sun. Relax on the shore, swim in the crystal-clear waters, or embark on a leisurely stroll along the coastline. Midday, indulge in local cuisine. Lunch at a taverna. After a morning of exploration, satisfy your appetite with a delicious Greek meal at one of Santorini's charming tavernas. Sample local specialties such as grilled octopus, moussaka, or freshly caught seafood, paired with a glass of crisp Akrotiri wine produced from the island's vineyards. Enjoy the warm hospitality and panoramic views of the Azure Sea as you dine al fresco. Afternoon, scenic excursions. OA, no visit to Santorini would be complete without experiencing the iconic village of OA. Renowned for its whitewashed buildings, cobblestone streets, and breathtaking sunsets, OA exudes charm and romance at every turn. Spend the afternoon exploring its quaint shops, art galleries, and picturesque churches. Don't forget to capture the panoramic views of the Caldera from the famous OA Castle, a prime spot for witnessing the island's legendary sunset. Santorini Caldera Cruise. For a truly unforgettable experience, embark on a leisurely cruise around the Santorini Caldera. Sail past the dramatic cliffs and volcanic landscapes while taking in the awe-inspiring beauty of the island from a different perspective. Along the way, you'll have the opportunity to swim in hot springs, snorkel in crystal-clear waters, and savor a sumptuous Greek feast prepared on board. Evening, sunset delights. Sunset in Fira. As the day draws to a close, make your way to the charming town of Fira to witness another mesmerizing Santorini sunset. Find a cozy spot along the cliffside promenade or settle into a rooftop bar overlooking the Caldera. As the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, raise a toast to the beauty of Santorini and the memories made during your unforgettable day outing on this captivating island. From ancient ruins to scenic vistas and culinary delights, Santorini promises a day filled with wonder, relaxation, and exploration at every turn. Embrace the island's timeless charm and immerse yourself in the magic of this Greek paradise. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Explore our websites, New Beginning and My New Beginning, representing the digital enterprises that have afforded us the financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you aim to develop your solopreneurship. Our course package that proved $4,000 revenue in a week is now available. As a PLR with MRR rights, master resell rights to you, at 90% off for you. To grab and start making money immediately. DIY or DFY settings for PLR are available for your quick start success. Coming up soon, site, Supats for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.